Q1 shear vertical blind motorized track, length shortening tutorial. Loosen the fixing screws on the motor. Then flip it open and remove it. Loosen the screws on the gear coupling. Loosen this mounting base. Then separate the track sections. Take out this mandrel. Loosen the screws on the sliding carriage. Once loosened, pull the track out. Release the belt clip. Pull the belt all the way out. Pull out the belt and all sliding beads, then tidy them up. Then take out this clip as well. This completes the disassembly of one track end. Remove these fixing screws. Pull out the secondary gear coupling. Take out the clip. Remove the gear coupling entirely. Pull out the left sliding carriage. Take out the left track section and the mandrel. Pull out the secondary drive box. Also pull out the upper clip and belt clip. This completes the disassembly of the entire track. For a biparting track, both track sections, the left and the right, need to be cut to size. Normally, we cut a total of 9 centimeters off. That is, cut 4.5 centimeters off the left track section, and 4.5 centimeters off the right track section. Mark a line at the 4.5 centimeter mark here. And also mark a line at the 4.5 centimeter mark here. Cut the track off at the 4.5 centimeter mark. Cut the mandrel by 4.5 centimeters as well. Then mark the 4.5 centimeter mark clearly. This is the cut track section, the empty track, and the cut mandrel. The length of the bead string is now shorter accordingly. Pull out the sliding beads. Place the main drive box in position. Also place the secondary drive box in position. Pull the sliding beads taut. Pull it all the way to the end and align it here. It is now exactly in the middle. So we don't need to cut the sliding beads here. It might be a little loose at this position later, but if you cut it, it will be too short. Therefore, we keep the number of sliding beads unchanged. Now we start reassembly. Then clip the belt into the belt fastener. Do not lock this tight for now. Then thread it through our belt clip. Thread it into the track. Slide it all the way to the other end. Take it out. Thread it into the main drive box. Clip the belt in and lock it tight. Clip the fastener in place. Tuck the belt in, tuck it into the track. Slide the main drive box in, all the way to the end. Then slide the sliding carriage to the other end. Align the sliding carriage flush with the track. Cut the other end of the belt at the 7.5 cm mark. Thread it into the gear coupling side. Slide the sliding beads into the track. Insert the belt into the clip. Lock it tight. Insert this clip into the sliding carriage, into the carriage's lock fastener. Then insert it into the track. Then slide the mandrel in. Tuck the mandrel into the sliding carriage. After threading the mandrel in, adjust the sliding beads, aligning them all in the same direction. Flip it back. Insert the gear coupling into the track. Fasten the fixing screws. Tighten the screws on the sliding carriage. Lock the first sliding bead in place with the mounting base. Thread the belt clip onto the belt. Do not use the fastener for now. Secure it inside here. Place it into the sliding carriage. Then slide it to the other end. Remove the clip. Then insert it into the secondary drive box. Clip the fastener in place. Lock it tight. Thread the fastener in and place it into the track. Then slide the secondary drive box into the track, push it all the way in and lock it tight. Align the carriage's belt clip flush with the track. Pull the belt taut and straight. Then for this end of the belt, cut it at 7.5 cm from the track edge. Then thread the belt into the gear coupling. Pull it out. Insert it into the clip. Lock it tight. Thread the sliding beads on. After threading all the sliding beads on, insert this lock fastener when threading the sliding carriage, and thread them both into the track together. Insert our mandrel into the sliding beads. After insertion, adjust and thread the mounting base through all of them. Slide all the sliding beads to the same direction. Once aligned in the same direction, rotate them back to a vertical 90-degree angle. Insert it into the gear coupling. Lock it tight. Align the holes on the sliding carriage and fasten the screws. Clip the gear of the secondary drive box to the side. Then fix one mounting base in the middle. Insert the mounting base. Lock the sliding carriage tight. Lock the first sliding carriage tight. Secure it firmly. First, slide all sliding carriages to the far edge. Place the mandrel connector in position. Then fasten the fixing screws. Tighten the screws on the gear coupling firmly. The track has now been shortened in the final step. Now install the motor as the final step. After installing the motor, make sure to lock the screws tightly into the screw holes. Press it in and lock it tight. This completes the reassembly. The length shortening of the shear vertical blind track is now finished.